How to find Bitcoin address on Binance. First, log in on your Binance account and then click on your wallet and click Wallet Overview. You should be able to see your balance. And to be able to see your Bitcoin address, you have to first deposit. To do that, just click Deposit in the upper portion of your screen. After that, just click Deposit Crypto. There are other options to purchase crypto assets, but let's go with Deposit Crypto first. Now, if you scroll down, you should be able to see 3 steps. First is to select a coin, then select a network, and then here you will be able to see your deposit address. In the Select Coin first step, there is a drop-down menu where you will be able to choose any currency, but let's choose Bitcoin, of course. Then in the Select Network, make sure to choose BTC. Remember that you have to make sure that the network is correct and accurate, or the deposit will not go through successfully. After that, you should be able to see your deposit address in the form of a QR code or simply a code that you can copy and paste. Also, remember that there is a minimum deposit. And that's it. You should be able to have your Bitcoin address on Binance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.